Hello, beautiful people. This is Bhumika Manoj Chandiramani, and today I'm going to do the unboxing of Goddess Guidance Oracle cards. And today we are going to begin up with the Goddess Guidance Oracle cards, unboxing of it. So are you all ready? Let's begin it up. This is Bhumika Manoj Chandiramani from Kirti Tarot Angel Consultancy and Classes. Welcome Vanita. Hi, how are you? Okay, so I will be showing you all each and every card of this beautiful deck. I just wanted to say these days the cards are very difficult to get it in the market. The Doreen Virtue Oracle cards are difficult to come in the market, but still anyhow we could arrange it, and we got the Goddess Angel Oracle cards. And today I am going to show you the beauty, the color, and the picture and the images of the beautiful deck. And this deck is really beautiful. The oracle decks have been stopped in the market as Doreen Virtue has stopped being into it due to her personal reasons. So this is the last deck, which is still it is available in the Amazon. You can always go ahead and search it out for that. Hi Vanita, hi Mahesh Bhaiya, how are you? So let's see how is the deck. Okay, so here we go. Here it is the beautiful book, which is a guidance book, a booklet, a guidebook, which is very important for everyone to read this book. This is Goddess Guidance Oracle card guidebook, and I always suggest everyone to please read. Hi Manvi, how are you? So everyone to read the book if you are doing the card readings. So here we are opening up the cards today. The beautiful golden touch is there on the cards in the side. So the guidebook, it talks about the oracle deck, will explain, will help us to give accurate readings, and it also tells us about storing your cards. How can you store your cards, how to give a reading from the cards, and also it shows about the variations on oracle card readings. The multi-card readings is also given. The meaning of jumping card is also there. Upside down cards is also there. And the general meanings of the cards. How to invoke the goddess from the cards is also given. So here this booklet is very important and very easy to go ahead with. So here is our unboxing of the cards. We are going to do it. The packing is also done beautifully, and I will be showing you all the each and every card of Goddess Guidance Oracle cards. So here is the first card. It shows is Yamanya, that is golden opportunity. Look at the beauty of the card. Look the colors. Look the golden touch on the side, the way it is given. It makes you feel so positive, so energetic. You can see the dolphin behind. Here another card. Alright, so here we have one more, that is Tara, white Tara. Hi Shruti, today we are going to show the cards. I am going to unbox the Goddess Guidance Oracle cards. So this is the second card. You can see the third card. The message is also given. The design and the image is beautifully made. If you can see the face here, the expression of the lady over here, it is so beautifully expressed. As such, it is expressing it out, her feelings here. Then comes another card. Here, okay, solace, bodies of water. Then comes another card. The side, look at the auras. It expresses about the energies, what the energy of a person is going through, and it also says about the auras in the card. It is so beautifully expressed. The message is also given, which itself says a lot. Comes next card is Sekhmet, and this is the beauty of the card. So this is my new deck. I have ordered it from Amazon. I got it from Amazon. Even you can order it from Amazon, though it is very less available. Buy it, guys, before it is too expensive in the Amazon, because these oracle decks are getting very highly expensive everywhere, because it is not available in the market. So that's the reason I'm showing you, for you to decide if you are getting connected with the cards, so that even you can order your cards. Hi Amy, how are you, darling? So this is the another card of Saraswati. Once I complete with the unboxing, guys, don't forget to join me again on IGTV Live. I will be doing one question reading for you all, one free question reading from my new deck. As always, whenever I get my new deck, I always do the reading from my new deck also. So here it is. The Divine Passion. See how well you can get connected, so that even you can order your deck. You can see how beautiful the picturization of the cards is being done. How beautiful the messages are also there. So here each and every card is designed so well. Here in the sides, it's a golden touch that itself says the originality of the card. And the cards which doesn't have the lining, the gold lining, that means you can make it out, those are not the original cards. The original cards has its different quality. The quality of the paper is also very good. The cards come in your hand, and the beauty of the card is also there. It almost gives all the goddesses messages here, and it gives the connection of unconditional love. You can easily get connected and take the guidance from the cards. My way, the cycles and rhythms, and the meaning of the card, the color combination, beauty, the look, as well as the expression. Everything is there beautifully explained in the card. If you are really getting connected, please, you can choose to buy these cards from Amazon. It is easily available in the Amazon, but soon it will get discontinued. So before it gets discontinued, please don't forget to buy it before the price reaches to very high. So I'm showing you, if you are feeling connected with the cards, you can see the energies, feel the energies, and go ahead and buy your cards. If you are by any chance a goddess energy, so these energies, these goddess energies will definitely help you to get connected and give you the right guidance anytime. These are 44 cards in the deck, which talks about the quality of every goddess and the goddess within you. It speaks about the goddess within you and the goddess what you are connected to. The goddess, how you can enlighten and bring the wisdom within you. The goddess with whose your powers are getting connected and you need the help from. So this deck will definitely help you invoke your goddess within and bring the energies of goddess within yourself. Goddess Hathor, the goddess of receptivity. Here she talks about increasing of our intuitions, and Guinevere, the true lover, the one who is having the romantic springs in our heart. Green Tara, start delegating your work, and she is the one who will always help us to get connected with our higher self. Another card is Freyja, that is bold. Unleash your adventurous side, take risks and be daring. Then comes peace. There is no need and no worry to worry, as everything is working up beautifully. So this card is about the peace within. Goddess Dinah, the goddess of focus and attention. Goddess Dana, the high priestess herself. Goddess Tamara, the goddess of children. Goddess Coventina, the goddess of purification. Goddess Cordelia, go outside. Butterfly maiden, that is transformation. Bright, don't back down. Bast, independence. Goddess Athena, the goddess of inner wisdom. Goddess Artemis, the guardian angel of all the angels. Aphrodite, the inner goddess. Ein, leap of faith. Aracura, blossoming. Goddess Abundantia, goddess of prosperity, money, abundance, prosperity. So these are the 44 cards what I showed you of the goddess guidance oracle cards. If you feel connected, if you feel guided, if you feel that these cards are drawing your attention towards you, you can always go ahead and order it from Amazon. It is still available. Buy it before it's too late or it is too expensive, because after the closing down of the oracle cards decks by Doreen Virtue, all the decks have become peak. It has gone on the peak and it has become very, very expensive. So I thought, since it is available in the Amazon, you can always go ahead and order your deck one. Thank you and take care. Love you all. God bless you. Sayonara from Bhumika Manoj Chandiramani from Kirti Tarot Angel Consultancy and Classes. For more unbox videos, for seeing my daily tarot card readings or message from the cards or the tips of the day and the affirmations, please like, share and follow my channel, YouTube channel, as well as follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Sayonara. Thank you and take care. God bless you all.